Have a great business idea? That's fantastic. To make it a reality and secure funding, you need to share your vision effectively. Let's talk about how to communicate your idea clearly when filling out funding applications. Think of your application as your chance to tell your story. What makes your business special? What problems does it solve? Who will benefit? Next, describe where your business will operate and how it's set up to succeed. Are you filling a gap in the market or offering something fresh or better than what's already available? To demonstrate your idea's potential, make sure you can answer these 3 questions. Who are your customers? How will you connect with them? And what's your plan to grow and succeed? For example, are your customers families, professionals, or tourists? Will you reach them through social media, local events, or partnerships? And how will your pricing cover your costs and make a profit? Finally, share your vision. Why does this business matter to you? And what's your plan for the future? A clear, confident plan shows you're serious and ready to take the next step. Your application isn't just a form, it's your opportunity to shine. Take the time to showcase your idea and share why it's worth supporting. With your passion and a clear plan, you'll be ready to take your business to the next level. Visit our website for tips and resources. We can't wait to hear your business idea.